let me first read off the first rates of this Samvat, and I'm coming back to you because this conversation since is not going to finish here. I'm assuring you. I'm coming back to you right after marking just the first rates, and brace yourselves for a new Samvat, ladies and gentlemen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. It's a happy new year for Dalal Street. New Samvat year officially has started with the gong of the bell. The Samvat year gone by has been nothing short of a year of dreams. Indian markets managed to climb the wall of worry, and the first rates are, well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Sensex and Nifty, they both are taking their time to align, but global cues are strong. Global markets are at a record high, so that cushion is going to be very, very strong. So Nifty is off to a good start. Bank Nifty may be flat, but I want to mark Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. Let's say if there is some respite for them, because today the market is just going to be it's not going to be like a full-fledged market. It's a market which will be dominated by more like a non-institutional investors, family members. So institutional stocks may not really adjust to the reality. But yes, even in this Samvat session, what's interesting is that ICICI Bank is still down. Axis Bank has not recovered. It's a token uptick for SBI, and Axis Bank, oh my God, it's down 11% in this week itself.
Yeah, that it has been. But let's talk about the happy buzzers. And the year gone by has been great for Reliance shareholders, Avenue Supermart. So let's bring out all these Samvat to Samvat gainers and show you how they are currently panning out. ICICI Bank, well, it saw a rub off from Axis Bank, also did SBI and others like a Yes Bank as well. So I'm going to skip those. Bajaj Finance has started off quiet, but 1867 is where that stock is. Let's check in on Avenue Supermart as well. Has been the listing of the year gone by, and it continues to mesmerize all of us. 1.25% higher. Someone's still buying the stock today too. 1173 is where that stock is. And let's check in on Reliance. This has been seeing some great moves of late, and especially on Tuesday's trading session when they did announce that big capex for KGD6, the fact that they're going to be pumping in a sizable sum of about $1.5 billion. So that kept the stock mighty excited. Yes, Bombay Dyeing has been another buzzer, a 3.5% uptick coming in there as well. Anji?
Look at some of the real estate names. I just want to mark some of those movers in the market session today. You have the likes of a Purvanka, which have picked up. But off late, Suntech Realty, Oberoi Realty. Oberoi Realty came out with a great set of numbers, mind you. And so, that is another pocket where the market seems to be focusing quite a bit. Now, I don't know whether this will translate into a structural trend, but a lot of the contrarians in the market believe that there is value emerging in real estate businesses. Completely under the radar, with the regulatory environment changing, with the sector having seen its worst, things may be on the mend and could see a bit of a turnaround. If we drill it down to some of the other names which are holding out right now, well, you have a Moil which is picking it up in the session, Carborundum which is up 2.5%. I'm only going to be talking about gainers because that's what Diwali is all about, making gains and taking home money. And then, of course, some of the fertilizer names. So Chambal Fertilizers has done well for itself at the start of trade, and Wellspun India also 2.5% higher. What are the other? Phenolics Industries is the other one, and Bombay Dyeing too, which are reining in Moola.